Welcome to part 11 of Clash of Engines series. Today we'll add player attack. Here you can see the final result. The enemy will die when the player hop on it or when hit by the player melee attack. Open Maha Blueprint. Add a box component, go to Details tab and under the Transform section, adjust the X location to 2 and the Z location to -48. Adjust the X and Z scale to 0.4. Click on the sprite component, go to Physics, Constraints and check Lock Y Position. Click on the character movement, scroll down to planar movement and check Constraint to Plane. Change the Y of plane constraint normal to 1. Go to the event graph. These changes will prevent the player from falling due to Y-axis movement when physically interacting with other actors. Add an on-component begin overlap event for the box component. Drag the other actor pin and add a cast to rooting fruit. Drag as rooting fruit pin and add the destroy actor node. Select and group all nodes and name them jump attack. Go to level 1 tab and test the jump attack. Under the Modes tab, scroll down the Basics section and add a box trigger. Adjust the shape Z value to 70. And then change its name to Attack. From the Details tab, link a blueprint to it. Go to Event Graph, delete Begin Play and tick Event Nodes. Drag actor begin overlap event other actor bin and add a cast to rooting fruit. Drag as rooting fruit and add the destroy actor node. Go back to Maha Blueprint event graph, add a new variable and name it attack trigger. Change its type to attack blueprint. Add a get attack trigger. Drag the attack trigger and add an isValid node to it. Connect the set attacking node to the isValid node. Drag the isValid execution and add the destroy actor node to it. Connect get attack trigger to the destroy actor target pin. Go to animation group. Disconnect Maha attack and set attacking node using Alt and left click. Add the get attack trigger to the group. Drag the attack trigger and add an isValid node. Connect the Maha attack press to the isValid execution. Add the destroy actor node to the isValid execution. Connect the isNotValid execution to the set attacking node. Connect the destroy actor to the set attacking node. Connect get attack trigger to the destroy actor target pin. Connect the set attack timer node to delay node. Connect the delay node to a spawn actor from a class node. Change the spawn actor class to attack blueprint. Drag the spawn node return value and add a set attack trigger node. Create a new variable and name it spawn location. Change its type to transform. Add the get transform location node and connect it to the spawn actor node spawn transform pin. Go to respawn check group, drag set time execution and add a set spawn location. Connect the transform return value from the drop fruit group to the set spawn location. Go back to level 1 and test everything is working correctly. This is the end of this video. In the next part we will add the tree system. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also click on the bell icon to stay updated. Finally, we would like to thank all our supporters at Patreon.